I picked up this Artwood AW526 recently. The original finish has been taken off. I can tell because you can still see the original piano white paint in there. And also when I took the badge off, there's a lot of scratches around the grommet. So with that, I'm probably going to take the original varnish off to clean this up. I've noticed there's a bit of ply separation as well in places. So I'm going to glue that and fix that. Like I say, remove the inner finish and give that a new lease of life, and then I'm going to paint it black. The outside's all sanded now, that's ready for some primer. The inside, that varnish is so thick, that's going to need a bit more sanding, but it's getting there. To repair the separation, I'll just stick some tight bond in there. Get as much glue in as I can, then clamp it, and that should sort it out. Good as new now. So I've invested in some new state-of-the-art polishing equipment. Just working on the shell, and you can see here there's still a few marks here and there. So what I'll do is I'll put some more scratch remover on it and run it round on that, and then hopefully that'll get rid of it. I'll use a Stanley blade to take the paint off the bearing edge and scrape that back. So that's the shell complete, inside and outside. Now I'll get the badge stuck in and start putting the hardware on. So these lugs are all okay. These two have got some marks on them, so I'm going to try and remake some posts. The actual lug supports are screwed to the actual tube through here for some Allen keys. So I'll take these off, machine some new lug tubes and try and neaten these ones up a bit. 10mm bar here, which I need to turn down slightly to match this diameter. And then I'll try and polish them up so they look mirror finish. Old and new. So drum's back together, looks absolutely fantastic, so happy with the paint. It's the first time I've painted a drum with 2K paint, and I'll be going to be doing a lot more projects like that going forward. Big thanks to Gav Smart at Smart Racing for all the tips. And yeah, tuned up well, really happy with it. So next up I'm doing the 11-inch Grand Star Custom. Bit more tricky as it's going to be painted inside too, but we'll see how that goes. Again, apologies for the lack of videos recently because work has literally taken over my life, but things are starting to settle down now, so more videos.